Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out one of the products from my March 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So this is from HAUS Laboratories, which is Lady Gaga's makeup line. I got a lot of HAUS Laboratories products this month in my beauty subscription boxes, and I'm excited about the products, but I have to say I haven't had that much luck with this brand, and from the feedback that I've been hearing in the comments of my videos, nobody's really had much luck with this brand. But I'm hopeful about this product here, the Sparkle Lipstick, because it has high ratings on the Ipsy app, and it sounds like it should be amazing. I got it in the shade Burlesque. And when I was looking this up for more information online, I think this only comes in this one shade, and it's supposed to be a universally flattering red. And I love a red lipstick. And I also love that this is supposed to be metallic and sparkly, because I love a metallic and sparkly lip. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, and it retails for $20, which to me is expensive. Like, this is a high-end lipstick right here. But so if you have not seen my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the products I got. But so the packaging is nice, and it's like, feels like metal, and it's magnetic, which is nice, and it looks incredibly beautiful and so detailed. It has these like stripes along the side of glitter. I want to try and show you the texture of it, which is so beautiful. And so this is it twisted all the way up, all of the product you get. I think that's like standard amount. But so first things first, I'm going to swatch it. Oh my gosh, it's like almost too beautiful to touch. Ooh, very creamy. I do see the metallic finish and the shimmer to it. Oh, I'm noticing it kind of has like a slightly like vanilla smell to it, which is nice, but it's swatched a lot more like pink looking than I was expecting, just based off of how it looks in the tube here. So I hope it really will be a flattering red shade. We're just gonna have to try it on to find out. So let's see. You can see me struggling a little bit to get it to be the precise shape. Red lipsticks are tricky. I typically would wear a lip liner just to make sure that I'm getting it in the right lines. So yeah, the edges are looking slightly uneven, but aside from that, this is gorgeous. So pigmented, like one swipe gives you that full opaque color. I did go over it a little bit more than once just to try and even out the application, but getting it on my teeth a little bit too. But it is beautiful. The texture of it, the metallic and shimmer. So you can see like full shimmer kind of coating to it, which I think is so pretty. And it's very tiny shimmer. I like that it's not just like sporadic pieces of glitter. It's like a shimmer layer on top of a metallic layer on top of a beautiful opaque red. So now that I have it on my lips, it definitely is like a true red. Like you can kind of even see how it looks more pink in the swatch than on my lips. Like it really is a flattering, beautiful red color. And I don't notice any grittiness with the glitter at all. And I do have dry lips, as we all know. I mentioned that in every lip product video, but my lips do not look dry with this on. It's smooth, even color. Like I am very impressed by this. Impressed from the packaging to the design of the product, to the color, the look of it. Everything about this is an amazing lipstick. So I'm so glad that this is actually like kind of seeming like it's worth the price. I am interested to do a kiss test and see how much transfer. Yeah, a lot of transfer with this, which is to be expected from a bullet type lipstick like this. It's such a pretty kiss mark. But it is so pigmented that it's completely intact still on my lips. So it is going to be pretty long lasting for a red bullet lipstick, but you're going to be getting lipstick all over anything your lips touch, but at least it's a very pretty lipstick stain to leave. I have to say though, this is probably my favorite Haus Labs product that I've tried so far, and I kind of wish this came in more shades, like more sparkly colors, because I really like this. I don't think I would personally spend $20 on a lipstick like this, just because something that is like the theme of this trying a new makeup product everyday series is that I find really amazing comparable makeup products at inexpensive prices. So I have amazing bullet lipsticks and even like metallic glittery ones that I have found at the dollar store, Shop Miss A, drugstore. But even like putting prices aside, I really like this lipstick, and I got it for such a great deal in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which that alone cost me $25, and I got this $20 lipstick with all those other products. And maybe this would be like an Ipsy add-on or something like that, and I would say if you can get it for a good price, it's definitely worth getting because it is a beautiful, perfect, red, sparkly bullet lipstick in my opinion. But I would definitely like to hear your opinion on it in the comments down below if you've tried it out as well. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.